Pause the video now, guys, and try question number 1 on the Edexcel Maths Pearson paper 1 pure maths, and it's the June 2022 past paper, so the most recent paper, okay, on the exam board's website for Edexcel Pearson. Okay, so pause the video, okay, and try the question. Can you get 4 out of 4 on question 1? Question number 1, find the indefinite integral of 8x cubed minus 3 over 2 root x plus 5 dx. Give me your answer in its simplest form. Whenever we're integrating, guys, in power form, the first step is to write everything in exponential form. So write it in the power form. So write it in the form ax to the power of n. So this one I can leave the same. So I'm going to have the integral of 8x cubed. Okay, that will stay the same. The 5 will stay the same. However, the 3 over 2 root x, I can write that as 3 halves, okay, x to the power of negative half. Okay, remember, 1 over root x is same as x to the power of minus a half. Okay, the half means square root, and the negative power is the inverse, it is the reciprocal, okay, from GCSE maths, okay, plus 5 dx. Now integrate using our normal rules, okay, of integration for power to power rule, and that rule is, guys, you add 1 to the power and then divide by the new power, so we get 8x to the power of 4 over 4, so we get 8 quarters x to 4. Then we're going to get minus 3 halves x to the power of a half when you add 1 to it, because minus a half plus 1 is a positive a half, because it's minus a half plus 2 halves, and 2 halves equals 1, divided by a half, okay, and then the plus 5 goes to plus 5x to the power of 1 over 1, which would just be 5x, okay, but I'll write it out in full, just so you can see my workings, okay, plus that integration constant c, so don't ever forget that in the exam when it's an indefinite integral, okay. This is going to simplify to 2x to the power of 4. Now, the next part's a bit more trickier. Remember, when you divide by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. So divided by a half is the same as multiplying by 2, okay? So you're going to get minus 6 halves. So that'll actually go to minus 3x to the half, okay, when you simplify that, okay? So remember, guys, dividing by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal, okay, or the inverse, okay, plus 5x plus that c, okay, and that was worth 4 marks. See, again, this is a question that I'm almost certain will come up at the start of your papers 1 or paper 2 or even paper 3 in terms of your mechanics context, okay. So revise your integration and differentiation, okay, for the power to power rule, okay, and also all the other rules, okay, for trig, exponential, logarithms, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, but let me know in the comments, did you get 4 out of 4? Okay, or did you make any silly errors or silly mistakes? Let me know in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.